Welcome you student. Today we shall continue our chapter. In earlier class we see the mean, how we find the mean of group data. In this class the means and their various methods we already learned from the earlier class. In various method we learn direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. Now in this class we are going to learn mod of group data, how we find the mod of any group data. So let's start our class. See, we earlier studied in class 9 mod. What is mod? Mod is that value of a variate which occur most often. It means what? There is a certain observation or data is given. For example, I take 1, 0, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 7. These are the various observations of data are given. Then what is mod? Just you have to check which data is occur most often. If you see 2 is 1, 2, 3. 2 is randomly or most frequently occur there 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. 2 is occur in this data 4 times. Therefore, mod of this data will be what? Mod is 2. Mod is simply that value which occurred most often. That will be known as mod. Now next we talk about model class. Model class is just like a mod. What is a model class? In a frequency distribution having maximum frequency. There is a certain frequencies of the given. For example, suppose I write this is class interval and suppose this is 0 to 10 and this is 10 to 20 and this is 20 to 30 and their frequencies is given. Suppose this frequency is 5, this is 20, this is 3. First what we check, how we find the model class? Just we have to check which frequencies has maximum one. This is maximum ones and this model class is 20 to 30, 10 to 20. 10 to 20s of model class has maximum frequency. Therefore, our model class will be what? Therefore, our model class will be what? 10 to 20. How we find the model class? Just you have to check which frequencies has maximum on this model class. This model class में frequency is maximum होगा. That will be your known as model class. I hope this one is clear to you. Now see how we find mod of the group data. Mod. The formula of mod is L plus F1 minus F0 by twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is lower limit of the model class, L is lower limit of the model class, interval, F1 is frequency of the model class, F0 is frequency of the class preceding in the model class. Frequency of the class preceding the model class. F2 is frequency of the class succeeding of the model class, and H is width of the class interval How we apply this formula? We can take an example and explain how what are the values of L, F1, F0, F2 and H. These are the preceding ones. L is our lower limit of the model class, F1 is frequency of the model class, F0 is frequency of the preceding one. This one is very important one. And F2 is succeeding of the model class, and H is our width of the class interval. I hope the formula is clear to you. Let's take an example. Question is, calculate the mod for the following frequency distribution. Their class is given, data table is given. This is class interval and this is frequency. Class interval started with 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, and last one is, and then 45 to 50, and last one is 50 to 55. These are the class intervals. The frequencies are 25, 34, 50, 42, 38, 14. Clear? See how we solve this one. Make the table. This is our class interval. This is frequencies. Clear? Now, our first class interval is 25 to 30. Next, 30 to 35. Next, 35 to 40. 40 to 45. 45 to 50. And last one is 50 to 55. Clear? And frequencies are 25, 34, 50, 42, 38 and 14. These are the frequencies are given. Clear? Now see, first what we do, first we write the formula here. And first we have to check which has frequency as maximum. If you see, the 50 has maximum ones. It means this is our model class right here. The class 35 to 40 has maximum frequencies. So it is our model class. Clear? Therefore our lower limit will be what? 35. Clear? And mark this is as your F1. How we find F0? F0 is our preceding one, just above one is our F0, and just below one, this is succeeding one, is your F2. Right here F1 is our 50. How we find F1? I repeat once again, just you have to check which frequency has maximum one. That maximum one is known as your F1, and this is your class, model class. And just above one is known as preceding one. Preceding one is your F0, represented by F0. This is 34. And succeeding one just below of F1 is known as succeeding one. This is known as F2, is your 42. Clear? And H, size of class, we know that the difference 30 to 25. Size of class is our 5. Clear? Now apply the formula. Mod equals to, we know that L plus F1 minus F0 by twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Clear? Now substitute all the values. How we calculate L? The model class of lower limit will be your lower limit of L, the value of L. This will be your 35. Now F1 is 50, F0 is 34. This is twice of 50. F0 is our 34. F2 is 42 and H is our 5. I hope this one is clear to you. Now solve this one. This becomes 16 and this becomes 100 minus 76, and this is 16 into 5, this H model class. Now this becomes what? 35 plus 80 by 24. If you divide it, you get 35 for 3.33, add it 38.33. This is the value of mod. I hope this one is clear to you.